วัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับนะครับพี่ๆน้องๆเพื่อนๆและก็คณาจารย์ทุกท่านนะครับก็ถ้าเกิดสนใจ Wiesbaden Business School Summer Session ก็ติดต่อทางคณาจารย์ได้เลยนะครับผมเชื่อว่าทุกท่านจะได้รับประสบการณ์ได้รับมิตรภาพแล้วก็ความรู้ต่างๆนะครับที่รอพวกท่านอยู่ที่นี่แล้วก็ผมเชื่อว่าทุกท่านจะได้ความรู้ที่สามารถนำไปใช้ได้จริงในวงการระดับนานาชาตินะครับเรื่อง e-business ยังไงก็ลองดูนะครับสวัสดีครับ I first have to say that Germany has the strongest economy in Europe and also the industries as we know, but the fact that Germany is also a good provider of quality education and yet very affordable. I suggest Germany is a good destination. And why Wiesbaden? I have to say that on the very first day that I arrived in Wiesbaden, people were very nice and friendly. I was carrying around maps on the bus, and about 5 or 6 people at different times they kept asking me, "Are you okay? Are you lost? Or could we help you?" And I find that really generous people here. I think it is the experienced and supportive professor. They have backgrounds in whatever they are teaching, as in like telecommunications or e-business. The professors here, they work with real clients, and also they have research on what's about to come. So I have a feeling that they are very much experienced in their field, and so it is worth it to have a try at this university. Due to the information I have been giving, the topics related were e-business and telecommunications in international environment, and I think this is quite a big trend for the time being, and it is really a good opportunity to explore the differences of ideas between cultures. If you get a chance to come to Germany and experience what people think, people act or do or behave, you get better ideas of how to do e-business in the international or global scale, and the fact that they also have some kind of get-together activities and also social events. I feel that this could be a plus in both theoretically and practically, that you can apply this knowledge while you attend the summer school session. My favorite place, I'd say it's the Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria. I was there once last year around October, just a little bit after Oktoberfest, and it was really nice. In fact, I would want to propose my girlfriend there. Yeah. First thing, how people work here is it's a little bit different from where I'm from. It is not as relaxed, but they produce really good quality work, and everything is very much on time, so I learned a lot about discipline and time management. And besides from this, I learned a little bit of German. I think that's a very good thing. And also how to properly cook the German sausage the traditional way, and that's probably my favorite.